iPhone 12 unboxing video. What's up guys, my name is Joe and this is Apple Pie, and in today's episode, iPhone 12 unboxing video. iPhone 12 and 12 Pro videos have surfaced online, and there is a channel here on YouTube, Ben Geskin, who posted two videos, an iPhone 12 Blue and an iPhone 12 Pro Space Gray version being unboxed. Now there is a couple of things over here. The original videos are linked down below. I will show you some of the details from these videos. In the first video, we see a blue iPhone 12 being unboxed in a car. Probably the shipment has been delivered to the reseller who's gonna sell these phones. He doesn't want to take off the plastic. But if we look at this video close up, you can see that this is the iPhone 12, the new edges, the new iPad Pro S design, flat sides, gorgeous blue color, and in the front, I'm going to stop it right here, you have white paper. So the plastic is gone, you have paper instead of the traditional plastic that was always around the phones. Now this is, I guess, more environment friendly than the plastic, so I can understand Apple doing this. If we continue in the video, you can see that this person is showing us both sides. You can see the front, the phone is on and it's working. Doesn't want to take off the cover because it's probably this phone is going to be sold, so if you take it off, that, you know, it ruins the value. We can see the slim box, only one charger in there, and this is the packaging for the iPhone 12. What I notice is the camera bump is a lot smaller. We can see, I think over here if I stop it, the camera bump is a lot smaller than in the case of the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. The cameras are, I believe, more flush in the phone, so it's not going to be as a bumpy ride when you put it down on the table. It's still going to rock, but not as much. We see the bars up on top over here for the antennas. As we well know that the iPhone is going to be just like the iPhone 4 or 5 design, so we're going to have those lines up, and those are because of the antennas. This is the blue iPhone 12, and if we continue, as you can see, it's working. He's actually using the phone through the paper wrap on the front. Doesn't want to take it off. We see four little symbols over here, the mute switch, the up and down volume, and the power button, and that's all Apple put on there, and this material is kind of see-through. We still see the notch over here in the front. It's the same size as before, so it's not going to get smaller. We didn't get a really good look at the bezels, but we can see through this white paper that the bezels are smaller in the case of the 12 than it was in the 11. Now, if we go and check out the iPhone 12 Pro video, and this, as you can see, this is the space gray version. Beautiful edges, very, very shiny, and it's absolutely amazing. You see the power button, you see the 3 cameras, and you see the LiDAR sensor over here. It's very small. It's the same size as the flash up on top. It's really beautiful. It's a matte finish on the back and very shiny on the sides. Even though this is space gray, I feel it's a little bit brown, but because that's the environment, it's actually an image reflection on the side, so it's going to be a very, very shiny phone. Do not drop it and do not scratch it because it's very fragile. Now over here, I feel that the cameras are a little bit bigger. They stick out more than in the case of the iPhone 12. And but still not as much, I think, as in the iPhone 11 Pro. Nothing changes over here. We have a sticker on the front of the paper in this case, which is some kind of code. It's in Chinese. Maybe this is the Chinese version of the iPhone. Again, the power button, the volume rockers, and the mute switch can be seen on this image as any kind of icons on that white piece of paper, and this phone probably works the same way as the other one through that white piece of paper. So this is going to be the experience. You're going to have the phone, very flat edges, beautiful, beautiful shiny sides, one lightning cable, and a small piece of paper or paperwork in the box. This is the first world exclusive iPhone 12 and 12 Pro reveal unboxing, so the link is down in the description below. Check it out. It's on Ben Geskin's channel. And if you want to know more about iPhones, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the little notification bell, and until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.